Alright guys, now I'm checking on the chicken wings, and if you can see the excess oil that is, basically drained. I don't know if you can see that. All of that is oil on the side there. Anyways, those are ready. So I'm going to take them out. They are really crispy and it smells really, really good. I have a plate here. See that? First I fried them, and then after that I put it in the oven for like 10 minutes. So here we go. I also made some salad. I'm gonna eat this with salad, and it's like it's midnight right now, and I'm just hungry. So here I have some lettuce and carrots, cabbage, and all that. So I'm gonna add the tomatoes in there. My husband was sleeping and I was like, babe, come eat. Oh, and I also made some vinegar. The way it was very easy. I just used some red wine, some olive oil, salt, and vinegar. And that's all. So now, just gonna get the salad. Oh, let me taste the chicken. Let's see. Oh, really? Yummy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the crispiness of it. See, it's very crispy. This is so delicious, guys. You should definitely try this. Thanks for watching. Bye.